My name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and this is my activity 13 for Effective Presentations workshop. I actually don't like to write or create any stories, it's not my thing, but I chose one that is my favorite, and it's based on the cartoon Beauty and the Beast. So I'm gonna start. Once upon a time, in an ancient and dilapidated palace, two sisters, Love and Death, who played an eternal game. Death was the mistress of the place, and any mortal who came near its rusty bars never returned. Her face was as pale as a shroud, her hair as dark as midnight. She wore a black robe and a hunter's necklace made of teeth, nails, and claws. Her emerald eyes narrowed as she gazed at the chessboard in the front. "Your turn," said Love. "I know," said Death. "Tick-tock," said Love. "Only fools rush death," said Death. With a sigh, Love got up from the table where she and Death were sitting. Her eyes were the same deep green as her sister's. Silver blonde hair fell down her back. Her dark skin stood out against a white robe. Her only accessory was a necklace of climbing willow branches. Shimmering beetles, glittering butterflies, and blackish spiders clung to them, each as a living jewel. A tall mirror rested against one wall of the great room where the sisters played, its silver frame stained with wear. Love waved a hand over the surface and saw an image showing a dining room, once majestic and now in ruins. Behind the mullioned window of the living room, it was snowing. Inside, a tormented creature, half man, half animal, walked around. It went back and forward, casting longing glances toward the door. Its eyes were fierce, but deep down they were haunted. Death looked up. "How has your beast been these days?" she asked maliciously. "Still smashing furniture, plates, windows." "I have confidence in him," answered Love, while touching the glass for the first time. "I don't see why," said Death. "Although the beast dresses in silk, beast stays." Okay, and that's all of the part of the book that I chose. So thanks for watching.